Welcome back to Course Name Dev. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your first project, your first Flutter project. Last video, I showed you how to set up the Flutter development environment. The video is in the description or this link that have popped up here. So let's start the video. So you are going to come here, open new terminal like that, and we'll come to this particular tab here with the terminal selected. So you will just type Flutter doctor like that, and you can see that it is checking whether the Flutter is being installed and all the environment. For example, you can see that I'm using Microsoft Windows 11. We have one error here. It is telling me that I have not installed the Visual Studio, but we are in the Visual Studio, so you can just assume that. The next part is to create now the project. So you will just type Flutter create and call, this is the name of my application that I'm going to enter. You can enter any name. I have selected Boom like that, and just type empty here like that, and just click on enter, and you can see here that you have created the project Boom like that. All the folders have been created. So it is telling you to access the application here. You can just type cd boom on Flutter Learn like that. I'm going to come to this folder here, particular folder Flutter, then boom, and select the folder instead of using the cd, then the name of your project. Since now coming to here, terminal, new terminal, run the project, like just type Flutter run, then D, -D, then you can select your browser. I'm going to go with Chrome like that. As you can see, it is saying hello world like that, which we are expecting it because we have the value here. We can add the CSS for the same here. Let me just add it like that. Coming to the, we can relearn by clicking on R. Sorry for that, we have a comma here. I didn't see that. Like that, and it is a success. You can see that the font have already been changed like that. For example, we can add color like that, then we rerun like that, and you will see that the changes have been changed in our browser. So that is how to create your first project. You can edit the codes here to create the actual application using Flutter. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.